And here we go, rising up on the freefall tower. €6.50 to ride. And of course we're going to spin as we climb up on this as well. We get some awesome views across Prater. Like how we do a full rotation there first. And we'll start to climb. So if you are coming here, you want to make sure that you do bring a lot of cash. Some attractions you can pay card, but a lot of them are cash only as well. They've got cash machines around, but they are very expensive, so bear that in mind. Here we go, climbing up. This park is very impressive. It's unlike anywhere else that I've ever been. Very unique. There's the huge Gerstlauer bobsled over there on the left. That's a great ride. That was one of my favourites in the park last time. I very much enjoyed that. And yeah, there's about 10 lots of dodgems here. All sorts of other rides and great views of the city over there too. All the different buildings and awesome architecture. And yeah, this is like only one half of the park here down at the front. Wow, it is high up here. Comment down below if you've ever been here before. I would love to know. I bet that log flume is going to get busy today over there. I know that. Going to spin round now and take in the view. So some towers obviously spin round when you're going up. Look at the size of this. It's a massive park, isn't it? It goes all the way back there. And there's the new Wiener looping. Oh, it's testing. That's the thing with everything having different opening hours. It can vary when things open. And that's the big parking garage there where we parked up. There's a solar plant there on the roof of it. And yeah, it just keeps getting busier throughout the day here, you know, that's how it tends to operate. €6.50, getting a good long ride. Getting to take it all in, and that's the thing, the cycles can vary as well depending how busy it is. Wow, what a place. Beautiful Vienna. Olympia looping down there. And there's so many unique rides here. Oh, here we go. Parking in position. Just wait for it. It's coming. You know it's coming. When, we don't know. Sometimes you hear a little click and it goes like a few seconds after that. Beautiful. Basically you're the same sort of height as the wheel from on here. I know the wheel's got a lot of history, but if you just want the views, then you know you may as well come on this. But then obviously we are going to drop down pretty fast. Oh, I think I just heard the click, possibly. Maybe not. Oh, here we go. We're going up slightly now, and that means we're locking on, ready to drop. And yay! Woo! Wow! That was good. Like nearly a 5-minute cycle.